Certain harsh realities of trading that most of you are possibly ignorant of it, or that you know of but you are not paying attention to. So in today's video, I'll be sharing you 6 harsh realities of trading that you know of, and even some that you've not heard of, and some that you are not conscious of the reality. And that reality is what will actually help you to be profitable in the forex market, because when you know what trading is fully all about, the secret things in the market, things that are more that you know that yes, you can't take out of trading, will allow you to trade properly in the forex market. Welcome to this YouTube channel. If this is your first time, my name is Akinwole Victor, aka VstreakFx, and what do we do on this channel? My goal on this channel is to make beginners trader to be a consistent, profitable trader with a steady rising equity curve. So without wasting much time, let's get into the 6 basic realities of trading that you need to know about. So first thing is, it takes years to be consistently profitable. One thing you have to know about the forex market is that it takes years to be consistently profitable. You can't start trading today and feel you'll be profitable. When you come into the market, firstly you need to figure out your edge. And figuring out your edge is in 2 ways. It's either you get a mentor who has figured out his edge over a period of time, or you yourself have learned some basics of trading and you are ready to sit down and backtest and look for a proven edge in the market that will put the odds of success in your favor, that you can trust over time. And within that period, it's going to take you years. It's going to take you months and years. Even if you learn from a mentor, it will only cut the numbers of years. If you have to take 2 years to figure out a consistent strategy, if you have a mentor, it will cut it by half, and maybe you have like more of like 50 to 40%. It depends on how obedient and how good you are with putting in the work that your mentor has taught you. So one basic things you need to know is what it takes years to be consistently profitable as a forex trader. It takes years. You can't take it. So don't start trading today and feel like results will pop out in the next few minutes. You have to know that what it takes years to be consistently profitable. You need to give it time. You need to take it one step at a time. Firstly, you need to figure out your trading edge. After you figure out your trading edge, you need to start trading. You need to build up capital. You need to make profit consistently. You need to start taking prop challenges to be able to source out for capital. You need to start looking for who can actually trust you and who can actually give you their money to trade for them. So it takes years to be consistently profitable. It takes years for you to make those crazy figures. But the main thing about consistency in trading that I do talk about is very simple. One of it is identifying your edge always, taking your edge always, managing risks properly. If you have all this in place, you will be consistently profitable in no time. And the second thing is risk management is more important than winning trades. Risk management is more important. Let me check my mic here. My mic is good. So risk management is more important than winning trades. You need to know that. I used to tell my students that know what you want to lose first before you know what you want to gain. Know that if I'm taking a trade and I'm risking, I'm looking forward to win 300, I should be looking forward to see what am I risking to get that 300. Are you over risking, or are you risking little? Because if you don't focus on how much you are risking, you actually find out that in no time, over time, you'll find out that your winning trades cannot cover for your losing trades, meaning that you need to lose a little and win much before you can be successful in the trading markets, in the trading space, in this business. So risk management is more important than winning trades. You need to prioritize your risk management, and that your risk management comes by your discipline, by your patience, and your confidence in what you are doing. That's the other way you can actually have this risk management. So thirdly is, you can do everything right and still be wrong. This is very, very funny. You can have all the variables you have put together to define a setup or your B setup and still be wrong. That's trading for you. That's reality. I've taken my A setups. There's a particular setup I saw last week that smashed my stop loss, and I was like, I told somebody, if I'm to see this setup over and over again, because it had all what I was looking for. It had the complete variables I was looking for to define my A setup, and the trade still end up what? A loss. And that particular setup has also given me countless wins. It has also put the success of my edge in my favor. So you can do everything right and still be wrong. That's what you have to know. So that's why when you go through losses, when you take a trade that you've backtested over time, and you see that, or you set up an edge that you backtested over time, and you see you've taken the trade, and you see that trade is actually ending a loss, you have to take it, because you can do everything right and still be wrong. That's a very huge reality you need to understand. You have to understand that success in trading requires a strong mindset. How do you have that strong mindset? One, you have to believe in yourself. That's one. Two, you have to believe in the edge. You need to believe in the edge you've studied over time. You need to believe in your strategy. You need to believe in the data you've gathered for that strategy. And you need to be what? To be disciplined. This is the only way this strong mindset can actually have impact in you having success in your trading. I used to tell people that if you know you have a very poor mindset, don't come to trading, because you can't achieve success in the field. It's just like you're wasting your time. So don't come to trading if you have a bad mindset. If your mindset is poor, is weak, trading is not for you. There's this one of my favorite trader out there, Kira, and she says, if you know you can't go through the emotional ups and downs in trading, go and start selling pampers or start selling pepper in the market. It's not for everybody. Success requires what? A very strong mindset. It requires a very strong mindset as a trader. The fifth reality we have here is most traders lose money. There's this statistics that says we only have 5% of people that are profitable trading the forex market. Yes, most people, what they do is they win and give it back. They give it back to the market. They win again, they give it back. They are not actually having there's this Mark Douglas book. He spoke about having steady equity curve, just a small pullback, not a drastic pullback. Not a drastic pullback, not a drastic loss on your account. You should what? As a trader, reality is that most traders lose money. You have to try to be among what? The 5% of people that are profitable. You need to be among the 5 people that are making progress. So you have to know that this trading business requires what? Knowledge, and you taking it as a business. If you don't take it as a business, you find out that your losses are more than your wins. And there's no how you can have a A+ setup, you still make losses, but your wins more than your losses. That's a very serious reality. The other one, which is the last one I have here, is there's no 100% win rate strategy. I used to tell people out there, you can search on YouTube. If you see anybody that will tell you they have a 100% win strategy, that's a lie. If there's an 100 win strategy, I can sell my father's house and put it on a trade, because I'm so sure that it's going to be a win. Trading has what? Probability. If you know what probability means that there is a certain percentage that shows that this trade may not be a win. No, it's just, well, if you are an engineering student, it's all called efficiency. You can't have any mechanical or electrical system that has an 100% efficiency. It cannot be. You can't achieve an 100% efficiency in anything. So that's the same in trading. There's no 100% win rate. There's a probability, because human beings have different characters. You can see an human being acting good today and the next time is acting bad. You can see, and the market is moved by people. It's moved by people like me, you, your friends, your colleagues. Today they may have a good mood to trade well. Tomorrow they may be exact. So that's why we can't have an 100% win rate. We can't have an 100% win rate. The market will not. Sometimes there won't be volume in the market. Sometimes you take a trade, but due to lack of volume, you find out the price is reversing to stop you out. So you have to understand that there is no 100% win rate strategy. So this is the 6 harsh realities which I know that people tend to shy away from in trading. It takes you to one of my favorite ones. This last one, there is no 100% win rate, and risk management is more important than winning trades. You need to manage your risks properly before you can achieve success in trading. If you love this video, you have any question, drop your question in the comment section. I will send a reply to you and we'll catch up.